It was 2 a.m. The room was dark, silent, heavy. Rahat lay on his bed, staring into nothing. Tears rolled down his eyes, but not a single sound came out. Because tonight, he lost. For 5 years, he carried one dream in his heart. He sacrificed sleep, friends, happiness, everything. And today, that dream shattered into pieces. The results came out. He failed. He slowly closed his eyes. And suddenly, he heard his father's voice in his memory. "You can do it, son. I believe in you." Now those words felt like knives in his chest. The next morning, the house was quiet. Too quiet. His mother wanted to speak, but couldn't. His father walked past him, without even looking. Rahat understood. He didn't just lose to himself. He lost in front of his family. Days passed. He locked himself inside his room. No phone, no friends, no world. Just one thought repeating, "I'm nothing. I'm a failure." But one day, something changed. That evening, he sat alone on the rooftop. In his hand, an old diary. It was filled with his dreams, every goal, every hope he once believed in. Then suddenly, his eyes stopped on one line. "I never learned to give up." He froze and whispered to himself, "Then why am I giving up now?" That moment changed everything. He realized the dream broke, but he didn't. Failure came, but it wasn't the end. It was a second chance. That night, he made a decision. "I will start again, stronger than ever." From the next day, his life changed. He wrote down his mistakes, analyzed every weakness, no more excuses, every single day. He pushed himself just 1% more. Some days were painful, some nights felt impossible, but he didn't stop. Because this time, he wasn't chasing a dream, he was proving himself. Months passed, then years, and one day, Rahat sat in the exam hall again. But this time, there was no fear in his eyes, only confidence. The result day came. His hands trembled, but his heart was calm. He closed his eyes and checked the result. He passed. Not just passed. He achieved more than he ever imagined. His father smiled. His mother wiped her tears. That night, he stood on the rooftop again, but this time, no tears. Only peace. Final message of the story. He looked at the sky and said, "Thank you for breaking my dream. Because without breaking, I would never learn how to rebuild." Life lesson to the story. Dreams will break. Yes, they will. You will fail. You will cry. And sometimes, you will feel completely alone. But listen carefully. A broken dream is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of a new one. Where you are today, this pain, this struggle, it's not your final destination. Every failure is a chance to rebuild yourself stronger, wiser, unstoppable. So don't quit, because your biggest comeback is waiting right after your hardest fall. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because your journey to success starts right here.